Experts on the investigation into a tuberculosis case linked to a daycare worker in Cheviot.
Medical reporter Liz Bonis was the first to break this story on air and online. She joins us now with the latest on the tracking of those possibly exposed. Liz.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Hamilton County public health experts told me today they are making progress in getting more people tested who may have been exposed to TB. Now that is the first step in keeping anyone else from potentially getting sick in our community. They have now identified a total of 55 people who should be evaluated after a daycare worker at the Leyla House Learning Center had a confirmed case of TB. Since then, in those tested, there was one positive test. Now, it does not mean that that person has the disease. It just means they were exposed. They now want anyone who may have been at this learning house in Cheviot between September 1st and November 11th to follow up for testing with public health experts. Today, in a statement from Hamilton County Health Commissioner Tim Ingram, they told me that they're making progress in getting more of those who need to be tested to come in for that testing. They also said they're getting support with identification of those needed from the daycare center owner. And they said they're getting assistance from the Ohio Department of Health, Ohio Job and Family Services, and Cincinnati Children's Hospital. Those agencies are helping with testing, follow-up care, and counseling for families so they understand this. No more numbers of how many have actually been tested yet or any other positive tests were shared with us today. But if anyone does have a positive test, what's important to know is treatment can stop that person from ever getting this disease. That's really important because it attacks the lungs, it can shut them down, and Ingram says it is spread by prolonged close contact with others.